What's up, guys? Welcome back to Clunker Revival, where we take old vehicles from being done to fun. In this episode, we make an awesome $50 boat cover. Parts list. For this project, you will need a heavy-duty tarp found at your local Harbor Freight. In our case, we picked up one for $32.99, and a snap kit found on Amazon.com, which I will leave a link in the description below. Tools you'll need for this project are a drill, a hammer, a drill bit, and a Phillips screwdriver bit. Also, quick note here, the snap kit comes with a punch. We started out at the front of the boat, drilled one template hole, put the snap in, then marked the rest of the holes that needed to be drilled into the tarp. After we marked the front holes, we took the tarp to the bench. In the places that we marked, we drilled holes, ran the snap through, then used the punch to secure both sides of the snap. Now let's key in some awesome assembly line music. After being finished with the assembly line of snaps, we took the tarp back over to the boat and see how it fit. In this image, you'll see all the new snaps added into the tarp. And remember, if you like this content, please subscribe. Now that the top of the tarp is finished, let's start working on the sides of the tarp. On the side of the tarp, it's the same process as the top. Drill the hole, feed the snap through, use the punch to secure the snap. In the back of the boat, we had to install one whole snap assembly. Onto the starboard side of the boat, where we repeat the process one more time. This $50 boat cover came out pretty good. We think the shelf life of this cover is about 2 years. It is freeway safe and pretty inexpensive. For winter storage, we're going to make another cover with a higher center. Thanks for watching, and remember, there's 3 things that you can do to help this channel out. Subscribe, like, or leave a comment.